Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to link to another page in a table in Notion. This is very simple, just follow my steps. First step will be to create a new database. So I will name this database number 1 and then add backslash database inline and name the database the same, like this. Now I will create another database, so database number 2 and then backslash database inline and name it database 2. So now in order to create a link between these two databases, I will have to go right here to database 1 and then click on add property, then click on relation and here select the database 2. Now select and add relation. Now simply, as you can see, database number 2, and when I go to database number 2, I should add two-way property. So edit property, two-way relation and enable. And now you should be able to just click right here. So I am in database number 1 and I want to click on the link to go to database number 2. So just click here and then you should be able right here, edit property, related to, and here you have the link. So this will transfer you straight to database 2. So just right here, database number 1. This is how you can add link to another page in a table in Notion. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.